Hey beauties, so welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you guys my quick half an hour or like say quick 20-minute face skincare routine, which I do quite often. First thing I'm doing is I'm just using this thermal water from brand called URIAGE. It's just something new I found and I'm absolutely loving it. Now I do this routine at least once a week, so just give my face a little bit extra extra hydration, extra like brightening, glowing and all that stuff. Usually I pick the day when my skin feels super tired or it needs like some sort of TLC, then I go and do this. And it's kind of like I use 3 to 4 products just to do this whole routine. First thing is I'm just using this exfoliation spray. This is super good because it kind of exfoliates your skin and takes off all the dry dead skin off. I had quite a bit dead skin on my nose and it was super dry, so I actually went a little bit extra exfoliation on my nose. Then I apply BIORACE pore tightening clay. This is a very good mask for pore tightening, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Usually I only keep it on for or I only apply it on where I see my more visible pores, but for this kind of routine I just go all over my face just to make sure all my face is as equal as possible. So I'm just applying quite generous layer, not too thick either because that will make the drying time really long. I'm just applying it more like generous amount on the actual pores, and everywhere else I'm just applying it a thin layer. I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes or until it's dry, and then I just wash it off. The next thing I'm going to take is the Wonder Beauty peel off Purifying and Brightening peel off mask, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Again, the trick with peel off masks are do not go with the thin layer, because if it's too thin you can see what happens. It took me so long to take it off and it was hurting so much. So the tip is, if you are using a peel off mask, go with a generous layer, so when you're doing a peeling it takes not that long and it comes off easily. At the end I just go with any facial mist. In this particular routine I use my Grace and Stella Rose facial mist and just applied it all over my face, and that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tut. I'll see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.